Let's take a look at these examples. We're supposed to replace the powers of 10 by the proper symbols of metric prefixes. I have 6.2 times 10 to the third. 6.2 and times 10 to the third, I'm going to replace by letter K, lowercase letter K, kilo ohms. This means exactly this. Now let's take a look at the second example. I have 2.6 times 10 to the 6. I'm going to write 2.6, and instead of writing times 10 to the 6th power, I'm going to use letter M, capital M, which is representing megawatts. And this is the solution to this problem. 500, and instead of times 10 to 9, I'm going to write G, giga hertz. As I said, right now we don't care what these units of measure mean. We just concentrate on metric prefixes. So these are the solutions to these problems.